Hello guys, today I'm going to discuss a very simple topic in Forex space, which is about order block. This is a very common topic, but people are still getting it wrong because in the market, order block appears in every time frame, which makes it difficult to know the right one to use that could give you the opportunity to make money. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to identify the right one to use and how I use it in practical to take a trade that really gave me a lot of money. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it and I'll show you exactly how to do it. This is how you can use order blocks to get opportunity in the market as a day trader. First thing you need to do is to go to daily time frame and confirm the direction of the market. Then after that, you come to hourly time frame and try to figure out the order blocks and how to use them to get opportunities. And I'm going to show you exactly that right now, and how I'm going to still use it to enter opportunity today, being Friday. So starting from this point, I'm going to explain. Starting from this point, let me a little bit expand this. Now if you look at this point, this is the last bullish candle that was formed before this movement up to this point. Now this bullish candle is the order block. Now look at this particular small tiny candle that was formed here. If you look at it, this candle returned on top of this particular bullish candle and got rejected. This is exactly where you would have taken this trade, because this is a break of structure and the retest of it. So this is where you would have taken this trade and then gotten up to this particular point. Then if you look at this particular bullish candle, this small tiny bullish candle that's touched here is now the order block here. If you look at it, market returned to it, respected it, and created this movement, this run that took out this low. Okay, then look at this particular bullish candle here. This particular bullish candle here is the last bullish candle that was formed before this movement. It is an order block, and if you look at this point, you can see that the market came back to it and respected it. You see all these rejections that you're seeing here, they are trying to tell you that the market wants to continue down. Okay, so I took this trade. As you can see, I took this trade this week and it closed very well. Then looking at this point, you can see that this whole ranging here, this ranging form that formed here before this movement, is the order block for this particular point. And if you look at it, market came back to it and respected it. This particular bullish candle, these two bullish candles that you are seeing here, is the order block that created this. If you go to 4 hours time frame, you will see that this particular two candles that you see here is the order block that the market respected. This particular point, you see this tweezer form, candle pattern tweezer form that formed here, is telling you that the market is about to change direction. So market respected that order block and moved up to this point, respected this order block here, the last bearish candle that formed before this movement. Now the market is trading at this point. Today is Friday, as I already told you, and I'm going to take this particular trade. Once market comes to this particular last bullish candle that was formed before this movement up to this point, and respect it. If I see rejections and if it happened within the time frame that I'm looking at for it to happen, I'm going to take it short, targeting to take out this point, targeting for the market to reach this particular point. But let's see how it goes. Today is Friday, and however it goes, I will show you. But this is how you can use order blocks to get opportunity in the market once you know the direction of the market as a day trader. This is NFP. Alright, so as you can see, this is Euro USD. Okay, market returned to this particular order block here. I entered it at this particular position, and boom, this is how it is going. It is a news day. That is how we trade. So this is exactly how the trade is going. I told you that I will enter the market at this particular point. So The market returned to this particular order block I told you about. As you can see from this point, there are a lot of rejections from these candles that were formed before this impulsive movement. This impulsive movement is due to news because today is Friday and it is NFP. So that is exactly what I did, and that is how I trade. So that is it. If you find this video interesting, please don't forget to leave a like on the like button and also share this video to other Forex traders. And remember to subscribe to the channel to see more of these kind of videos. Over here are other live videos that we took, live trades. This will also help you to learn and know how to enter trades. Remain profitable and stay tuned on the channel.